about superficial inguinal ring that is opening in aponeurosis of external oblique abdominal muscle. Here it is, superficial inguinal ring. And this ring continues into inguinal canal. And in male, in inguinal canal, we have spermatic cord. In female, round ligament of the uterus. And this canal, that is place where sometime may be present inguinal hernia. That is why you need to know topography of superficial inguinal ring, deep inguinal ring, and walls of inguinal canal. If we cut inguinal canal in sagittal plane, we will see that anterior wall of inguinal canal, that is aponeurosis of external oblique abdominal muscle, inferior wall, that is inguinal ligament, superiorly we have internal oblique abdominal muscle and transverse abdominal muscle, musculus transversus abdominis. And behind we have fascia transversalis and peritoneum. And now we receive inguinal canal, anterior wall, that is aponeurosis of external oblique abdominal muscle, inferior wall, that is inguinal ligament, superior wall, that is inferior free body of internal oblique and transverse abdominal muscle, and posterior wall, that is fascia transversalis and peritoneum. And this canal has two openings: superficial inguinal ring and deep inguinal ring, and between them inguinal canal. Superficial inguinal ring, that is opening in aponeurosis of external oblique abdominal muscle, and deep inguinal ring, that is opening in fascia transversalis. And if we can see anterior abdominal wall from abdominal cavity, we will see there. Can you give me another piece of paper? Thank you. Look here. Now we in abdominal cavity, and we try to see anterior abdominal wall from abdominal cavity. Here it is umbilical ring, that is umbilical ring, and from umbilical ring we have fold of peritoneum, that is plica umbilicalis mediana. Inside of this fold we have ligament, ligamentum umbilicalis medianum. Then here and other folds, plica umbilicalis medialis. It was mediana, this is medialis. And here it is the same, we have ligament, ligamentum umbilicalis medialis. And last, lateral fold, plica umbilicalis lateralis, lateral fold. This lateral fold has artery, that is arteria epigastrica inferior. And space between plica umbilicalis medialis and plica umbilicalis lateralis, this is fossa inguinalis medialis, medial inguinal fossa. And this fossa is in projection of superficial inguinal ring. On external surface, superficial inguinal ring, and on inner surface, that is fossa inguinalis medialis. And laterally, from lateral umbilical fold, we have fossa inguinalis lateralis, and this fossa it corresponds to deep inguinal ring. And sometime through this fossa and deep inguinal ring, we have oblique inguinal hernia, or if hernia pass through medial inguinal fossa and superficial inguinal ring, we receive direct inguinal hernia. Two types of hernia may be in anterior abdominal wall: oblique and straight inguinal hernia. Oblique hernia pass through lateral fossa, lateral inguinal fossa and deep inguinal ring, and straight inguinal hernia through medial inguinal fossa and superficial inguinal ring. Let's go to corp. And what you need to draw next.